Are you thinking about creating an animated video for your business? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll go through the 7 most popular animated explainer video styles that you can choose from to create the perfect video for your business. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. That way, whenever we release new videos to help you with your video marketing, you will get notified. And in the comments below, let me know which of the 7 styles that I go through in this video that is your personal favorite. So let's get started. Number 1, cartoon animation. This is one of the most popular explainer video styles, and for good reason. Cartoon animation is great if you're looking for a more fun and light-hearted approach to your video. It's excellent for storytelling, where the main protagonist of the story usually reflects your typical customer. And it's great for injecting emotions such as humour, shock, curiosity, and cuteness to your videos to really bring them to life. Number 2, motion graphics. Motion graphics is another very popular explainer video style. It has a more mature look and feel to it than cartoon animation, so it's great for videos which lean more towards the factual side. And for this reason, it's a style commonly preferred by businesses that wish to project a more serious profile, such as financial institutions. For added impact, you can also consider mixing motion graphics with other styles, such as 3D and character animation. Number 3, whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is another great explainer video style which has seen a boost in popularity over the recent years. It involves images being drawn on a white background with a moving hand appearing to be doing the drawing. The minimalist style of the visuals really helps hold the audience's attention, whilst not distracting from the video's message. Research conducted by Professor Richard Weissman at the University of Hertfordshire found that when compared to a more standard talking head video, whiteboard animations better help the audience retain factual information and have a greater chance of being liked and shared. Which is why whiteboard animations can be a fantastic choice for producing educational videos. With a number of great whiteboard animation software tools out there, like VideoScribe and Doodly, the cost of producing whiteboard animations has also gone down quite substantially in recent times, making it accessible to more people. If you want to mix things up a bit as an alternative to the more standard whiteboard animation that we've all become accustomed to, you can also consider creating a Blackboard animation. Number 4, screencast videos. Screencast videos consist of digital recordings which are taken from a computer or mobile device and compiled together with a voiceover. They are relatively easy to produce, so come with a much lower production cost than the other explainer video styles covered in this video. Screencast videos are most commonly produced to replicate the actual experience of using a software tool. Such videos can act as excellent sales tools, as they can help clearly showcase the benefits of using your product. They can also be great for onboarding new clients, as screencast videos can help familiarize them with the various features of your software. Number 5, 3D animation. Made famous by the huge growth in the popularity of 3D movies like Toy Story, 3D animation involves digitally modeling characters or objects which can then be used to move them around. 3D explainer videos aren't as common as 2D ones due to the higher costs generally involved in producing them. However, 3D animation can be a great choice for explainer videos where the visual aesthetics are of a high priority. Number 6, rotoscopic animation. Rotoscope is another more advanced animation style where the animator traces over live video footage frame by frame, using a software program to create a more realistic feel to the movements in the final animation. This style can be great to give your video a more distinct and realistic feel, but due to the higher level of work involved in producing a rotoscopic animation, it also comes at a greater cost. So it's generally reserved for higher end productions which have the necessary budget. Number 7, stop motion animation. Stop motion is an animation technique that consists of photographing an object as it's moved in tiny increments. When the series of frames are then all played together in a single sequence, the result is the illusion of movement of the object. Due to the amount of work involved in creating a high-quality stop-motion video, its production costs can also be on the higher side. But if you're looking for something a little more innovative that will stand out, then stop motion could be the right choice for you. Bonus tip, consider mixing live action with animation. You don't necessarily have to make a binary choice between animation and live action for your explainer video. In some cases, the best option can be a combination of the two styles. Live action adds the element of realism to your video, which can be important in certain cases, for example, if you want to show live footage of your product or present your team. In such cases, your live action can be supplemented with animation to add an extra layer of quality, helping your video stand out and resonate with its viewers. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any further questions about the animation styles that I've discussed, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer as soon as we can. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And finally, if you need help creating an animated video, then you can get in touch with us here, simply by logging on to spielcreative.com. Thanks for watching. See ya.